And what eyes have not seen, nor yet sad, shall be the order of the day in my life. This year, the same is my portion. Because all Jesus says to one, he says to one, congratulations. Amen and amen. My name is Richman David. My name is Richman Bajon David. I'm not to recite from Living Faith Church Bajon. I'm not to recite Psalm 119, verse 1 to 176. Blessed are the undefied in the way who walk in the law of the Lord. Blessed are they that keep his testimony and that seek him with their heart. He has hold no iniquity. They walk in his ways. Thou hast commanded us to keep thy precepts diligently. All that once are directed to keep thy statutes. Why shall I not be ashamed? When I have respect unto all thy commandments, I will praise thee with a palette of heart. When I shall have learned the righteous judgment, I will keep thy statutes. Oh, forsake me not utterly. Wherewith thou shall a young man cleanse his way, by taking it thereto, according to thy word. With my reward have I sought thee. Oh, let me not wander from thy commandment. The word have I in my heart, that I might not sin against thee. Blessed art thou, O Lord. Teach me thy statutes. With my lips have I declare all the judgment of thy mouth. I will rejoice in the word of thy testimony, as much as in all riches. I will meditate in thy precepts. I will have respect unto thy ways. I will let myself in thy statutes. I will not forget thy love. Be bountifully with thy servant, that I may live and keep thy word. Open down my eyes, that I may behold wondrous things out of thy Lord. I am a stranger in the earth. I know thy commandment from me. My soul baketh for longing that it hath, unto thy judgment at all time. Thou hast been the poor that have caused. Who doeth for thy commandment? Move for me, reproach and contest, for I have kept thy testimony. Breathe also deceit and speak against me, for I surround to maintain thy statute. Thy testimonies also are my delight, and my counselor. My soul cliffeth on dust, thinking that me according to thy word. I have declared my ways, and thou hast me. Teach me thy statutes, make me to understand the word of thy precept. Just as I talk of thy wonders work. And so matter for heaviness, strengthen me according to thy word. Move for me, the word of lying, and grant me thy love graciously. I have chosen the word of truth, thy judgment have I made for me. I have talked on thy testimony, only put me not to shame. I will run the word of thy commandment, and thou shalt enlarge my heart. Teach me, O Lord, the word of thy statute, and I shall keep it unto the end. Give me understanding, and I shall keep thy laws. Yea, and I shall observe it with my heart. Make me to go in the path of thy commandment, for there endure the life. Incline my heart on thy testimony, and not to covet justice. Turn away my eyes from doing vanities, and quickly down me in thy ways. Establish thy word unto thy servant, who is devoted to thy fear. Turn away my reproach, which I fear, for thy judgment are good. Behold, I have longed after thy precept. Quicken me with righteousness, let thy mercy come also unto me. O Lord, even thy salvation, according to thy word, so shall I have words to answer him that protect me, for I trust to thy word, and take my word of truth utterly out of my mouth. For I will be thy judgment, so shall I keep thy word continually, forever and ever. And I walk at liberty, for I seek thy precept. I will speak of thy testimony, also for king, and I will be ashamed, and I will delight myself with thy commandment, which I have loved. Thy hands also will I lift up unto thy commandment, which I have loved, and I will maintain thy statutes. Remember the word of thy servant, upon thou hast come to hope. This is my comfort in my vision. For the Lord has quickened me, the poor that time in great indignation, yet have I not claimed for thy word. I remember thy judgment of wood, O Lord, and have comforted myself. Whoever has taken of the problem, because I do God have forsake thy law. Thy stars have been my song, that's my pilgrimage. I remember thy name, O Lord, in the night, and have kept thy law. This I had, because I kept thy precepts. That's my portion, O Lord. I said that I will keep thy word, and shouted thy favor to my heart. Merciful unto me, according to thy word. I thought on my ways, and turned my feet on thy testimony. I made this, and then not keep thy commandment. The past are wicked above me, but I have not forgotten thy law. At midnight, I rise to give thanks unto thee, because of thy judgment, and the companion of one of thy fearing, I have them that keep thy precepts. Thy heart, O Lord, is full of thy mercies. Teach me thy statutes. Thou hast do well with thy servant. O Lord, according to thy word. Teach me torment and Lord, I have lived with thy commandment. Before I was afflicted, I went astray, but now I have kept thy law. Thou art good, and thou art good. Teach me thy statutes. The poor that fall lie against me, but I will keep thy precepts to my heart. Yet thy fat as grief, but I learned in the Lord. It's good for me that I be afflicted, that I may learn thy statutes. Love thy mouth is better unto me And that's all good and silver. Then I made them for some. Give my time at the know that testimony. Let I fed you be glad why they see me. Because I have opened the road. I won't know, Lord, that I don't matter right. And that friends have affected me. Let's type ready. The best skyline for my comfort. I grant the Lord on the servant. Let I turn on mercies come out to me. That I may live. For the life is my life. Let the power be ashamed. For it deep perfect truth to me without a cause. But I will meditate to thy precept. Let all that fear return unto me. And those that have known thy testimony. I understand the thought, but I be not ashamed. Myself better for thy salvation, but I hope in the word. Myself for thy word. Saying, where would thou comfort me? I don't like a button in the smoke. I don't forget that person. I'm not this of the servant. Where there is true judgment of them that persecute me. The part I did pit for me, which are not after thy law. All thy commandments are faithful. The battle will fully help them. There's almost consumed my palate, but they have also known that patient. And come after a loving kindness. So shall I keep testimony in my mouth. Very loud all the sets in level. The feeling unto our generation. Thus they established that and abided. They continue the seconds in all destiny. All like thy servant. Let thy love be like light. Until I perish in my vision. I never forget that precept. For then thou quickened me, and thou saved me. For I sought that precept. You could have waited for me strength, but I'll continue the testimony. As soon as I know the word of vision, thy commandments in him board. Oh, I love by thy love. My meditation all the day. Thou to thy commandments, I may know by other my enemies. Forever, for the ever with me. I have no understanding of my teacher. For thy testimony and meditation, I understand my foundation. Because I kept thy precept. I feel my life from every way, that I might keep thy word. I'm not important for thy judgment, for thou hast taught me. I'll stand out unto my taste. Yea, so that unto my mouth. Through thy precept, I get to understand. Therefore, I had thy forsake. There was a lamp unto my feet, and light unto my path. How so that now performed, that I keep thy judgment, and my feet very much. Quicken me, O Lord, according to thy word, except I should be. Be filled of not by mouth, O Lord, and tell me thy thoughts. My soul is continuing in my hand. When I forget thy word, you can name this name for me, that I know from thy precept. That the smell of thy text and I take forever, with the rejoicing of my heart. I won't climb out to perfume thy status solid, even unto the end. I hate rain thoughts, for I love joy love. That's my hiding place, and my shield. I hope in thy word. Depart from me, evil does, for I keep the commandment of my God. Uphold me according to thy word, that I may live. And I am not be ashamed of my hope. Hold down me up, and I shall be safe. And I will expect on thy status continually. Thou strength that dead that for thy status. I see his first truth. Not because of the God of black light just. Therefore, I love thy testimony. I flesh tremble for fear of thee, and I am afraid of thy judgment. I've done judgment and justice. Leave not to my oppression. Try to and sound for good. Let not depart oppress me. It's time for thee, Lord, to walk. And I may find thy law. Therefore, I love thy commandment above God. Yea, I will find good. Therefore, let thy judgment, that testimony that thou hast commanded. The righteous are very faithful, and still has consumed me. Because my hands are forgotten thy word. Not very pure. Therefore, the sound of righteous, and spread respect. Never forget that person. The righteousness is an everlasting righteousness, and the law is the truth. Sharper than anger have taken hold of me, and the commandment of my life. Righteousness of thy testimony is everlasting. You must stand and I shall live. I cry to my heart, hear me, O Lord, I keep thy statutes. I cry to thee, save me. I shall keep thy testimony. I pray and Daniel money, and cried, I hope in thy word. My spirit and thy churches, but I may meditate in thy way. Hear my voice, and call on thy loving kindness. O Lord, quicken me, according to thy judgment. The joy and full of thy mischief, thy fall from thy law. Thou art near, O Lord, all thy commandments are truth. Concerning thy testimony, I've known no word, for thou art fallen forever. But consider my future, and deliver me, but do not forget thy word. Plead my cause, and deliver me, quicken me, and according to thy word. And salvation is far from decay, for I seek down thy status. Great are thy tender mercy, O Lord, quicken me, according to thy word. Let my apostles and friends, when I know long for thy testimony, I pray and try my strength, I ask you, to call the captain of thy love, because thou I love thy precept. O Lord, quicken me, according to thy loving kindness. Thou art true from the beginning, and I am one of thy judgment and judge forever. This I basket on that God, and I found the Lord therein. I just said that one. As when I found a good spot, I hit an elbow line, for Lord do I love. Don't I say, do I praise because of thy judgment? Not just I do love thy love, and not just for them, but I will for thy salvation, and done thy commandment, because I have kept thy testimony. And I love them exceedingly. I've kept thy precepts and my testimony, when my eyes are unfolded. Let my cry come and fold. O Lord, give me understanding, according to thy word. Let my supplication come forth. Deliver me, according to thy word. My lips shall utter praise. When thou hast done thy thoughts, I don't shall pick out the when by command thy righteousness. Let thy hand happen, for I've trained thy precept. I've learned for thy salvation. O Lord, and Lord is my life. Let my soul live, as I praise thee, and thy judgment happen. I've gone straight like a lost sheep. Seek thy sound, but do not forget thy commandment. Psalm 19, verse 1 to 6. God bless you. Thank you.
For that powerful presentation.